If you're seeing a check ESC warning on your Kia, it means the electronic stability control system isn't operating properly, but it doesn't always signal a major failure. Start by checking your battery, since low voltage or loose, corroded terminals are a very common cause of ESC warnings. The system relies on stable electrical power, and even a slightly weak battery can trigger the light. Next, inspect your tires to make sure all four are the same size, properly inflated, and evenly worn. Mismatched tires or incorrect pressure can confuse wheel speed sensors and activate the ESC alert. It's also worth looking near each wheel for damaged or loose ABS sensor wires, as dirt, corrosion, or debris can interfere with sensor readings. If everything appears fine, you can try a reset by disconnecting the battery briefly or clearing codes with an OBD scanner, then taking a short drive to see if the warning stays off. If the light returns, a professional scan is recommended to pinpoint issues like a faulty wheel speed sensor or control module. Until it's fixed, drive cautiously, especially in slippery conditions, since ESC helps stabilize the vehicle during sudden maneuvers.